And we're back for another video. Hey you guys, my girls and I, we are headed back to the ear, nose, and throat doctor. We are going for the pre-op because they do have to have the surgery and they're going to feel so much better about it. Low-key, Ariel, my oldest, is so nervous about having this appointment, about having the surgery. She thinks it's going to hurt. And I didn't tell her it was a needle involved because, of course, they have to be put to sleep in order for the surgery to be done. So they're going to have to stick a needle in her. I just want her to wait until that time comes because I don't want to scare her and make her even more nervous. And baby girl really going to act a fool. But I told Ariel as soon as she goes to sleep and when she wakes back up, she going to be like, okay, have y'all started yet? Like, that's how simple it's going to be. When I tell y'all they have the nicest doctor, she is such a sweetheart. She was so patient with my girls, especially Faith, because Faith was nervous and she could tell. They checked their ears. They've been on antibiotics and they say it looks a little better, but they still need the surgery. Like, it is not all the way cleared up. And even if it was cleared up, eventually it's going to come back because that's what we've been dealing with since last summer. Faith let them check both her ears. She was such a big girl. I was so proud of her. So proud of her. They had to do a couple of hearing tests back and forth. They did several different ones. One they let me be in the room with, but one I couldn't be in the room. This is one of the tests here. They put it on both ears. I have no idea what this was for. But we ended up doing another test after this one for Faith. She had to do something where they need to hear how good she heard things, and they would put this little sound on and be like ding, and then there was like put a ball in the bucket. She had a bucket in her hand and they said put the ball in the bucket every time she heard the noise. Man, when I tell you my baby could hear good, y'all, I'm talking about she could hear good, because it was times I didn't even hear it. And she would put the ball in, and the lady would be like, well, great job, Faith. I'm like, what? Wait, yeah, you did it? She's like, yeah, she can hear really good. So I'm just thankful that the ear infections have not just messed up their ears to where they have hard time hearing, because they kept asking me ever since we keep coming to them, are they having hard time hearing? Is there a speech delay? And I was like, no, not at all. And I'm very, very thankful for that. Very, very thankful, because that there will be definitely a bummer. Y'all, if y'all could just say a prayer for me and my girls, for God to give me patience in dealing with them, because I don't know how they're gonna be feeling after they eventually have the surgeries. I don't know if they're gonna be groggy and grouchy and whiny and just want to be all up on me. So y'all, please pray for your girl. I have really been enjoying giving y'all a dose of what we go through in our life, and I appreciate y'all so much for watching. If y'all have made it this far in the video, just be like, okay, hey girl, bye.